Previously, we showcased the performance of the electric forklift. This time, we're revealing more detailed features. Hope you'll enjoy it. Equipped with an electronic steering system and precision hydraulic control, it delivers rapid response in lifting and tilting operations, enabling precise cargo stacking and loading, unloading. Unlike internal combustion forklifts, it eliminates maintenance for engines, exhaust pipes, and fuel filters. Just maintain the batteries, motors, and hydraulic systems, saving 30% to 50% long-term costs. Electricity is also much cheaper than fuel. Now, let me walk you through the detailed features. This is the switch. This is the switch that controls the turn signals. This is the handbrake. The one on the left is the emergency power off button. And the one on the right is the double flash button. Does anyone have any further questions? Feel free to leave a comment below.